How to optimize the Dawn theme in Shopify? Well, there are a number of things we can do. For example, if we go down here to the bottom left to the settings, we can go to the apps and sales channels, and we can uninstall all the unused apps we have here because some of them can slow down your website. So you want to make sure you clean this up with and remove all the apps you're not using. You can also find apps with clean up the residue code which is left on your page to make it even faster. Something else we can do, we can go to the search bar and we're gonna type in speed booster or something like that, and it will take us to the Shopify app store, and you can just pick a booster for your page which has a good rating. For example, this one, I have it already installed from a previous video. You can use that one. It will also work for the Shopify Dawn theme. And once you do all these steps, you can go to speed tester pages on the internet, and some of them will actually show you how you can boost your page even further. So that's how you optimize the Dawn theme in Shopify. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.